non-Ahmadis are outside of the fold of Islam. And number two, for this reason, you can't even make dua of forgiveness for them after they die. With regard to these two things, which your Jamaat is saying, this is our position. What you have to say?
My position is based on founder of Jamaat, what he said.
Okay, so then do you agree with these two things, that non-Ahmadi are outside of the fold of Islam, and for this reason you can't even make dua for the forgiveness?
If Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Sahib has said this, this thing which what you are asking about, then I can decide it's right or wrong and based on Quran or not. If somebody else is saying, that comes next to Mirza Sahib,
Stay
not
there.
first.
Okay, let me read for everybody so people can listen. In regard to word, that can we make dua of forgiveness for the non-Ahmadis? It says that this attitude, what attitude? That you cannot make dua of forgiveness for the non-Ahmadis. He says this attitude is based on such a law. He says this law is not made by Ahmadis or their leader Mirza Ghulam Qadiani. He says this law is brought by the one Khataman Nabiyyin. This law is brought by Khataman Nabiyyin. Okay, so are you clear now that this law which they are using and implementing and justifying, they said this is not our law. This law, they said the reason we are following this law because it is brought by Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And now listen very carefully. And what is that law? If you deny a single prophet, you go outside of the fold of Islam. And point number two, and the one who is outside of the fold of Islam, you cannot make dua for him after his death. And then he says position of the Ahmadis is as follows, that they believe Mirza Ghulam Qadiani from the angle of reality of prophethood. Such a prophet like Mazallah, like Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was prophet. Likewise is the Mirza Ghulam Qadiani prophet for the Qadianis. And then he said number two, for this reason, that the one who denies Mirza Ghulam Qadiani is outside of the fold of Islam. You cannot make dua for him after his death for forgiveness. Now you tell me that what is it which is not clear to you?